We finally got it to open. Okay, so now the game works as normal, which is great. Now I need to like do something about the collision for this. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is just like go to body, for example, see if it has collision. I'll just add a box collision. Oh, it does have one. Okay, no need that. Does this have collision though? Well, now it does. What about this one? There we go. Oh yeah, we need to fix the camera as well. Okay, well, this doesn't have the collision, so I think I probably turned it off when I did the thing for the safe. Let's just check. I'm just gonna search for collision. I probably turned it off. Wait, no, not this one. Okay, I'll try to not disable collision, see what happens. Okay, now it's working nicely. Okay, I think we need the item ID as well. Let's just do it for all of them. This one does have one, so I'll just put for all of the items. Okay, I think we're good. I think we are great. So what's next is, oh yeah, I forgot to remove this print string, so we make sure to do that. Also, I want to go back and like see if so once we unlock this cabinet, we want to exit the room and come back inside and see if it saves whether it's unlocked or not, so we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, I forgot to adjust the camera position, so let me do that over here. The camera is this one. I love Final Fantasy VIII. Okay, we're gonna move it a little bit to the right. Like this. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, this is fine for now. I like it. Sorry, I attacked my microphone for a sec. Hey Zahid, how are you doing? We're finally cleaning up the entire thing. I'm done with like reworking the reload system. And yeah, I'm just doing the narrative scripting. Wait, this is still showing me an issue. Item IDs needed. Oh, okay. Hey, Nacho. How are you doing? It's been a while, hasn't it? Wait, are you guys watching me while, like, working together? Well, not together, but, like, on Discord? Stream raid. Hell yeah. Well, thank you for joining. Hopefully it's gonna be fun. And I'll make sure to like, wait, why am I recording? Okay, yeah, hopefully, I'll try to join the Discord chat after I finish the stream. Workplace Malice is so dope. I love the puzzles in it. I will like and share this game everywhere. Thank you so much, man. Or woman, I don't know. I think you're a man. Yeah, Danny. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And I do believe that my game is like very underrated. So yeah, definitely share it and let's get the game to like 1 million sales or something. Better game than an Enra. I don't think so. Like an Enra, like that's a hard standard to beat. But I would say like in terms of aesthetics, it's much better than an Enra. I'm kidding. An Enra is like the best indie game I've ever seen. So yeah, it's. I don't think I'm ever gonna beat that. Thank you so much, man. So that's the puzzle fixed. Wait, I do think there's that error. I think it's probably just the missing ID. Number 12. You will be number 12 or 1. Okay, now we check if the error is there again. Yeah, it is. Item IDs needed. That's the widget of the use menu. So it has to be this puzzle. So items needed. Oh, not so. That's 10 Canadian dollars. and he said it in Italian. That's the voice I picked for the what was it called? For the super chat. So yeah. Thank you for the super chat, Nacho. I really appreciate that. You helped us reach the stream goal, which was $5, but now it's surpassed. So let me actually how do we yeah, I don't think it's oh yeah, that's actually the yeah, it doesn't count, so I'm just gonna insert it myself. So starting amount is 10 and ends tomorrow. There we go. So thanks to you, we have surpassed the goal by 200%. Wait, that's Acolyte? Oh, that's you, Acolyte. I didn't realize. And thank you for joining, guys. Hopefully, well, actually, let me change this song. I don't like it. Yeah, I'll just turn it down a little bit. Okay. Oh yeah, I just wanted to like add the IDs of the items inserted, which is the wire cutters. Okay, hopefully it doesn't do an error this time. Let's see. Okay, perfect. No errors. Wait, I think I messed up though. Let's see. I don't think I need to like add the ID myself. The game's supposed to be the one to add it. Okay. Yeah, we still have that error. Okay, I think it's over here. You know, I hate it when something that like worked really nicely before just decides that it doesn't want to work, and you have to like backtrack to see how you've set it up. I'm pretty sure it was around here. Okay, no, for now I'm just gonna do it the dodgy way.
at this. Seriously. What in the world? Nope. I'm not sticking.
Okay, now I just want to make sure it stays open when we like go out and get back here. I'm not sure if I've set up that correctly. Okay, yeah, it works. Amazing. Now we can play the rest of the level so that we can make sure there are no other problems. I'm pretty sure there are. I haven't played this in a while. Wait. It didn't discard the wire cutters. I'll just make sure to write that down. Yeah, let's write that down. Okay, there's an item we need to fix there. The data table. I changed some of the file names or the row names. So yeah, some stuff's messed up. It was the pain reliever pills. Okay, I'll add that to my list. Actually, I think I fixed those. No, I didn't actually. You know, I feel pretty dumb sometimes. Oh yeah, go. There we go. So there's another new problem, and it's that the player is a little bit taller than the lockers because, you know, I changed the size. You're the smartest of all of us, really? Thank you so much. That's a... I think that's more... It's an overstatement, basically. It's why our game has puzzles. It's for real thinkers, true ponders. Yeah, I guess I'm the smartest. A little bit. Only sometimes. Sometimes bugs can be features. Yeah, that's very true. Do you know that, like, Capcom got the idea for aerial combat for Devil May Cry based on a bug in Onimusha where like the player could fight in the like midair. I thought it was pretty cool. Why is the... Wait, why is it doing that? Okay, we'll fix that later. Wait, I forgot to check the seal, just to make sure the door is still locked. Okay, you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna have to fix a few things before I continue with the narrative scripting, because there's the system for sticky notes, which are these. Oh! I forgot. I was jump scared by my own game. I forgot that was a thing. What the hell? Okay, yeah, I was saying, I needed to... Actually, let's finish this list first. Pain reliever, row names in bedroom 2. But yeah, Acolyte or Danny, bugs can be features, definitely, 100%. Why did the game crash though? So I'm gonna see that first. Also, why is it huge? I think it's the fact that, yeah, I upscaled the size of the character sprites, so now even the monsters... Okay, for the enemy characters, I'm gonna keep the old size until like I redo the heads of the zombies. But then even then, I don't think they need to be as large as the players. Like they can be a little bit smaller. It's okay. Sprite, character sprite, gameplay. Yeah, it says 5. That's insane. I think if we make it 3.5, it shouldn't be a problem. I'm done with the... Okay, let's actually... Yeah. Okay, for now, let's keep it. Character master. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay. I think we should be good for the sizes. I mean... But I still don't know why it's crashing, so we're gonna check that next. But first, let's confirm that the new size is good, and I have some cat hair here. There we go. Okay, this is fine. Maybe a tiny bit smaller. For the enemy, I mean. Okay, it's good. Now we just need to know why we're crashing. So, let's do that. That room is called Window Hallway 2, so we're gonna check that out. Oh, I spawned it like this. Okay. I'm probably gonna switch to a spawner actor. First, let's fix the crash. Okay, I think the crashing is happening at the end of the cutscene. So let's go over here. The player's not even in the cutscene, so it's definitely the enemy character causing the crash. You got this, man. I believe in you. You're the best, Danny. Thank you for believing in me. Believe in me that I believe in you. Yeah, I definitely believe you. And I believe in you as well. You'll make an awesome game as well. I trust that you will. The future of gaming is within our hands, so we have to make sure it stays peak. Okay, I'm gonna disable this. And we definitely have to start from that specific room, which is unfortunate. Okay, it didn't crash. So now we know why it crashes. Maybe this guy needs to be a little bit bigger. Infinite loop detected. Over here. Unhide player. Okay, we're not gonna bother yet. First, we need to make the enemy. I mean, I could make a specific size for each enemy type. But for now, let's not get distracted. Fable Spirit Digital. Oh my god, this is the workplace Malice guy. Your game looks so dope, man. Thank you. That makes me so happy to hear. And I'm glad you like my game. Hopefully, we'll be able to finish this game soon and make it all good. And yeah, I will keep creating for sure. Thank you so much for the support. It really means the world to me. And Fluffbat, thank you for subscribing. Fluffbat is actually one of the voice actors in the game. Like, he has a couple of, well, not a couple, like a few lines, because I met him after casting everyone, unfortunately. But if it was before, then I would definitely would have like giving him one of the main characters. Anyway, yeah, we're not gonna bother with the enemy size. We're just gonna check why we are wow, I'm lost. Okay. Okay, let's go back to that specific map. Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you on the game, man. Hopefully on one of my future projects you can be like a bigger character as well. Yeah, over here. There we go. That makes me so happy, guys. Like, I can't tell you how much I appreciate that, the fact that you guys think my game looks good. It's like, whenever I have, like, sometimes I have doubts just because, like, the game's not popular yet. So when I hear stuff like this, it just makes me so happy. Okay, I remembered where I wanted to go. Over here. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's the enemy enabled variable which is causing the crash. I'm pretty sure I replaced that. Okay, let's try it like this. I really like the game's vibe. You're like one of the best devs. I learned from Steven's game, but your stuff is on a whole nother level. Are you in the industry? Thank you for saying that. Yeah, Steven is one of my best friends, so yeah. His stuff is also like really, really good. I would say it's better than mine. Are you in the industry? Yes and no at the same time. Like, I worked at a studio, but it wasn't really a AAA studio. And I actually worked into in two of those smaller studios, but it was a paid job. So I would say I'm in the industry, yeah, but not really in the AAA industry. How long have you been a professional game dev? Well, when I started, like, first actual game dev job I got was in 2021. Yeah. But before that, I've been like learning Unreal and learning game dev since I was 12 or something. So I would say like since 2010, 2011, I've been looking into game dev. But when I got good at it was around 2020 or 2021. However, I did like spend a lot of time learning art and other stuff as well, just so that I can like make a whole project by myself. So yeah, I would say my my whole life I've been into game dev. Okay, now we're gonna test it one more time, just to see if it crashes. I really hope it's fixed. Okay, let me turn down the music a little bit. Okay, it's fixed. However, he's a bit too small, isn't he? Also, there's the fact that his shadow's around his knees rather than under his legs. And also the auto direction thing didn't get enabled immediately after he jumped in. So we're gonna fix that. But yeah, the crash is fixed, so we can celebrate. I'm so glad, because if it was stuck unfixed and I was like stuck at not being able to fix it, then I would have probably went mad, because I just want to like get stuff done today. Like, I want to speed through chapter 0 so that I can work on the rest of the game as well. I mean, all of the chapters cutscenes are done, but yeah, I want to like properly make sure everything works. Which cutscene was it? Okay, let's look for it in the level blueprint. Yeah, it's this one. Window enemy entrance. So why is his disable auto direction thing not working? Wait, we have it twice over here. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that and just connect it here again. Oh, we have to go to the other room again. Okay, I'll just go there through this. There we go. So we pick up the light. Okay, he's still not doing the proper rotation until we get him to attack us once. So that's not how it's supposed to work. Also, why is he so slow? I'm pretty sure he was supposed to be faster than that. Anyway, let's ignore him for a bit and see if the puzzle for the doors is working. I'm probably not going to show you the puzzle, guys, just to like not spoil the puzzles in case you guys play it. Okay. I'm just gonna move it to the other screen. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, sorry. Oh no, there's an enemy here. I forgot that. I don't even have the pistol, just like because I played it not from the start. Wait, why is this enemy not seeing me? Oh, okay. Well, we need to make sure that he can hear as well. Hey, the TV's turned off. Okay, let me turn it back on. Yeah, 1 second. There we go. Guys, look at this animation that I made. Over here. It's Theo typing and working. Yeah. It's like Inception. Is that what the movie's called? Yeah, I think so. Like he's working, I'm working, and you guys are working. So it's like workception. Yeah. That's really cool. I think. Anyway, back to work. Okay, we don't need this light anymore. Oh, the door's locked. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to like play the entire thing for like all over again. But I do want to find out why the enemy's not really. Hmm. Actually, yeah, I think what I'm gonna do. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can change the enemy so that he spawns when the cutscene starts, just to like make it, I wouldn't say easier, but like more optimized. Not that I care really, because you know the game's pretty optimized right now, but like it could potentially get us that bug fixed. You know what? I think I'm gonna copy the spawner actor just so that I don't mess up anything. So we're gonna go to the hallway and see where the enemy spawns, which is over here. And yeah. Actually, rather than that, yeah, I have a better idea. We'll do it using this one. But like right as it spawns, we're gonna um set the actor's location to be where he's here. Wait, where is he? Oh, okay. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah. So like before this, we're gonna get the spawner actor. Hmm. There we go. And we're gonna give this spawner an ID if it doesn't have one. It does have one, but like, okay, for now I'm gonna keep it. Now we're gonna do this. And I think we should be good to delete this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna delete him. And to test it, I'm gonna go here. And we need to add this thing to the array, just so that we don't have to pick up that thing every time. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, let's try this. It's not even colliding. You know what? I'm just gonna do it by going to that room. It's easier. Yeah, so it works, but the... Okay. We spawned him, but he's not really the same as the... We probably like need like a millisecond. So I'm gonna try to see if a delay fixes that. And if it does, we won't use a delay, but we will find another way. But just to like check if that's the problem. Yeah, like this, delay. Oh, wait, now I remember. Okay. We need to set the binding here. Yeah. Get spawned actor. And get character ID. Or actually, no, it's not the character ID. Yeah, it should be the character name. Should it? Okay, yeah, let's just do the character ID. And I don't think we need this delay. There we go. Well, that didn't work. Okay. Let's see. So first we're gonna go to that room. This is the character ID. This is the enemy data. Okay, yeah. I think I know what's wrong. We need to get the enemy name from the data table rather than the character ID. I think that's the way I set it up. So we're gonna get enemy data, break, and not the row name, get data table row. Let's look for the enemy types data table. Break. I mean, technically I could do this another way. Yeah, I mean, I definitely could. For now, let's test it like this. Because technically I could just write the character name here. It would work. Okay, let's give it a test. Oh, I forgot to check the comments. Okay, there we go. No, that didn't work either. And also, I'm gonna turn down the volume just because, like, getting jump scared isn't fun every 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna try something different. So now the enemy spawned, but he's invisible. Yeah, he can't even attack, so he's disabled and invisible. So we go to bedroom 3 and enable the jump scare. We enable the jump scare by picking up this light, by the way. That didn't work either. I think I just have the ID wrong for the character. I think I can just get the character ID. Yeah, I think, actually, I'm gonna try to just write the character name. Yeah, not even this. Yeah. Oh, now I get it. Okay. I think I messed up again. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. You know, I want to play something different. This is too depressive. I was playing Final Fantasy VIII music, but then I was like, it sounds a little bit too old. So let's play some Best of Final Fantasy. Yeah, that sounds fun. But then, okay, let's do Final Fantasy X remastered. Is it there? It's not. Okay, we'll just play the regular one. Yeah. I think we should be good now. If it's not working, then I'm probably getting the wrong thing. If it's not the character ID, then it's the character name. Oh, we don't need this anymore. And we don't need this either. I think that should be good. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the other map. You know, last time I played some, like, on the last stream, I played some copyright-free music. And then when I finished the stream, it got a lot of strikes. Well, not strikes, but like claims. So I had to turn, like, just make it unlisted so that I don't get in trouble for that. So now I'm not sure what to play because even video game music's not really There we go. It works. We got it working. Let's go. Okay, he's dead. It works. Amazing. I'm gonna take off my earphones or headphones a little bit. There we go. And we are gonna yeah, I wanted to make sure that I fixed the thing with the character not having auto direction enabled. So I think it's not the fact that the variable's false. I think it's probably the... So let's make sure of that. Yeah, let's give that a try. So I'm gonna get the event tick, and we're gonna get the enemy patrol points and the spawned enemy character, and we're gonna get the disable. Oh, first we're gonna have to cast to enemy character, and then we're gonna get get auto direction disable, and we're gonna print string just to make sure. Okay, so it's false by default. I'm gonna put on my headphones again, just for a bit. Yeah. Oh, also I need to go to that map, of course. So it's false. Disable auto direction is false. When we start the cutscene, it's still false. Yeah, that's definitely not what's happening. So it's something else that's preventing the enemy from rotating to the character. I think what I'm gonna do first, before I make any changes, is just the fact that if we go to that cutscene and we enable the thingy, where's the thingy? There we go. I think I can just make him lock to player. What did I call the thing? Target? No, not target. Lock onto player. Nope. I guess I have to go to the character, enemy character. Oh, rotate to player. Okay. Rotate to player start. Okay, it works. So we fixed that. Thank God. You know, I'm thinking before I move on, I could make the guy a little bit larger. But at the same time, if we do make him larger, we're gonna have to like we're gonna have to move his sprite up a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. Let's give it a try. Actually, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break and I'll be back. Like, actually, no, less than 5 minutes. Like, just 3 minutes. All right, I'll be back. Mm. I forgot to charge my phone. Okay, yeah. So we were talking about making Time a little bit larger. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make like a size thing on the struct for the enemy types. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be quick. So yeah. Sprite size. Oh, we already have it. Okay. Um. Okay. Why is it not working though? Let's try 3.5. Wait, why is... Okay. Oh, we also have Sprite Seed Transform. I forgot that I set this up in the first place. But we're not gonna test it here just because it's a little bit troublesome. We're gonna go... Let's go to the... Actually, first of all, I'm gonna delete the print string. I'm pretty sure I didn't do that. Yeah, there we go. Now we go to hallway 1. Or no, let's go to the painting room. Where's the painting room? There we go. Okay, he's a little bit larger now. I think that's better. But the Z, yeah, the Z transform, you can see like his legs are sinking into the floor a little bit. So let's raise him up a little bit. Um, yeah, let's give it a test. So I do think it's this one. Yeah, it should be around 4. Let's see this one. Why is it 7.5? Anyway, that's not important. Let's go here and make it 4. Okay, let's try 5 instead. I'm sure that didn't work. Actually, that is better. Okay, and since we're here, let's plug the correct row name for the thing, and we can delete it from here. So handgun ammo in painting room. Let's also go to the living room and do that. So this should be like pain reliever pills. and handgun ammo. And I'm going to change the item IDs as well. Of course, the best horror soundtrack. Okay. For now, I think we're good. Actually, no. I'm gonna make this a little bit tighter over here. Yeah, the inner one. Okay, I think this should be good. Yeah, now you can only examine them like separately. So like if you go behind the book, you can't examine it. And you can't examine the painting unless you're far from the book. Which is exactly how we want it. Unlike these where like you go to examine the painting, but then you are forced to examine the book. So we're gonna do the same for all of the other ones. Okay, that's good. Let's do the next one. Okay, I think that's the enemy thing fixed. It still needs, the enemies still need a little bit of um, reworking, but I think we should be good to move on. Pain reliever, row names in bedroom 2. So let's go and fix that. I did think we fixed that, so if we did, we can check that off the list. Oops. Yeah, we didn't fix that. Okay. Oh, we did. We did. There it is. 1 second. Okay, now we want to check why the wire cutters isn't discarded on use. Or did I spawn like 2 of them? Yeah, it's not. Okay. Oh, also, I forgot to despawn the enemy on the waiting room. I mean, the painting room. So let's do that. And then we go to the dining room.
Oh my god, she's... Seriously. Nope.
Okay, we'll see now. That didn't discard it. Okay, since that happened, I'm just gonna copy it and paste it in the bedroom so that we can keep testing it without having to like pick it up from there each time. And also, why didn't it discard it? So we need to figure that out. Do I have some criteria over here? I think I do. Because some items get... I'm pretty sure I made it so that some items get discarded and others don't based on some boolean, but I forgot where I put that. Let's look for it. Actually, I could decrease the amount of text over here. So a key is placed inside the cabinet, but it's out of reach. We don't need the out of reach thing. But the cabinet is wrapped with wire rope around the handles. I think we don't even need to write the cabinet, just the what's it called? Like the knob. Actually, handle. is wrapped with wire rope around it. I don't even think we need around it, honestly. Yeah, less text is better, I think. Okay, all good. Now we need to make sure it gets discarded on use. Okay. It's still there. Do I have some... Maybe it's on the data table. Because I did make one of those puzzles where you have to keep reusing the same key item. And that's the point where I made it so that you don't get this stuff... like, it doesn't get rid of them all. But I forgot how I did it. Okay, I'm gonna take off my headphones a bit. Oh, there it is. Puzzle discard key item. I forgot to make it editable. I think we should be good. Yeah, there we go. So it was just like a variable that we needed to enable. So let's delete that. And we also made this one. Fix antiseptic spray and ammo in living room. We did that. Can enter practice menu. Oh yeah, we can enter the practice menu. I guess I'll just keep that for now. I don't mind. Actually, that's a general bug, not really specific to chapter 0. So now we can play chapter 0 and pretend that we're looking for bugs. Honestly, I'm not looking for bugs exactly. I'm just like making sure it's playable properly. But then like when I'm actually playing it, I just like can't ignore the bugs. I just have to fix them. Okay, since we're doing this, let's do it with sound. New game. intern, linear. Oh, I forgot to turn on the audio. Let's do that. Yeah, this should be good.
Huh? What? Where am I? What is this place? How did I end up here? Ugh, roaches. Gross. If they start crawling up my leg, I'm so done.
Actually, I think this is like the first time
Okay.
I play the game.
Think.
Like
I
I
pass
show
out?
off the game, but like it's still broken, so it doesn't count as like a showcase or anything like that. There we go.
Huh. That phone wasn't working a minute ago. I should answer. It might be help. Hello?
Theodore, I knew you'd find your way. Your choices have been made, and there's no turn.
Oh no,
What's this shit all about?
Okay, that's a bug.
Theodore.
Oh no.
What's going on?
Okay, you know what? I'll just skip it. Okay, we're gonna ignore those wire cutters. I forgot to delete them. And if this fixes things, I'm gonna update, like I'm gonna package and update the demo on Patreon. One second. Okay.
Oh my god. She's dead. Somebody really did this to her. Seriously, what in the world is going on here? Nope. I'm not sticking around to find out. I need to get out of here. Now.
Oh, it's not the bolt cutters. Okay. think the hitboxes for these guys is a little bit broken. Okay, we're good. Oh, I'm not gonna spoil this puzzle, just because. Or you know what? Since this is the demo, it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure you can't collide with those anymore. Let's go through here. I think I made these guys too weak. We're probably gonna give them more health. Turn off the lights. Let me check something. Okay. Yay, the seal is broken. Wait a second. So we turn off the flashlight. We enter the next room. And the flashlight is back on. So I'm gonna add that to my list of bugs. Okay, we should be good to continue. Oh, there's one of those guys here. Yeah, the perception for these guys. Oh no, it's not the perception, it's just the fact that I forgot to put a nav mesh here. Okay, I really hope this part doesn't bug out because I've had some trouble with it. I'm actually gonna unequip this. Okay, also just need to check something. There we go. I'm gonna turn up the volume a little bit. I was jump scared by my own game. Okay, so far no bugs. Okay, it works. Just ignore
Shit.
the portrait stuff. It's not
Not
ace
again.
included.
Another one of those nightmares.
Okay, let me turn the volume back down a little bit.
They keep getting worse and worse. And that guy, the one in the bishop costume.
I'm probably gonna
I
decrease his
saw
muscles
someone like
again.
him once,
Just because
near
like
the office
I
building.
went a little bit too much.
Ever since then,
But it is
it's all
part of
in
the
my
plot.
head.
And this is the old character sprite. I still
swear,
didn't replace
after
the
everything that's happened,
shirtless one.
I need therapy. Or an exorcist. First day back at work since the incident. Great. I should probably get dressed before I start full-on monologuing.
Okay, first thing I want to check is that if the inventory is still there. So yeah, it's still there, so we need to fix that. I'm gonna add that to my list. There we go. Like, as you can see, we can equip the weapon even like when we don't have it. We're not supposed to have it. So yeah, we need to empty the inventory as soon as Theo wakes up. But wow, you can see the difference in the character design. I like the new head much better than the old one, and even the coloring and shading style. Okay, I'm gonna try to go to the bathroom just to like check. I'm probably gonna put some money there. Actually, yeah, let's add that to my list. Chapter 0. Again, add money in bathroom, and we're gonna what else are we gonna do? Oh yeah, this one. Okay.
There. All set for the day. It still feels like a straitjacket, though.
Oh no.
At least he won't be
It was
there
supposed
anymore.
to set the sprite to be like the one where he's fixing his tie, but yeah, that didn't get done. So we're gonna have to fix that. Let's add that to the list. What was it called? Yeah, tie adjusting animation in closet.
Shit, I'm late. Gotta get going.
Okay. The collisions for everything is still like crazy, so we're gonna have to fix that as well. But this round of gameplay, we're just like making sure everything works. I love the light of the TV on the character. Like, it's actually it makes the game nicer to look at. Oh yeah, we can save. Did it work? I think it didn't. Okay, that's chapter 0. It works from start to finish. And this cutscene, it needs a 2D animation. I still haven't animated that, so it's just like text. We're gonna have to make sure that's not a like I'm gonna have to make sure of that probably next month, because this month I'm working on the game itself. Just making sure the entire game works, so I'm ignoring anything that's like cosmetic. Chapter 1, Office Hours. After a full week of police investigations, the Skyline office complex has reopened. Employees are expected to return to their desks as if nothing happened. The recent events still linger, making the start of the day feel off. Let's go.
The office complex. I can't stand this building. Only because I work here. While it's shared by several businesses, I'm pretty sure every employee feels the same dread walking through these doors. It's just so dull.
Wait, is he a little bit too small compared to this level? But then, like, he's not small compared to chapter 0. No, I think we're good. Just like some items need to be a little bit smaller, probably. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna make a new category for chapter 1. Doors in first floor lobby need transparency and not being able to use key items. And for this one as well, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's try opening both elevators just to make sure it works. And they do close, so that's amazing.
Hey, wait up.
I'm gonna turn up the voice acting in the settings. I'm gonna turn down everything else a little bit. Hey, where's...
You again, Theo.
Okay, yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah,
Good to see
good
you
to see you
too.
too.
You don't sound too happy
it.
about it. Is everything alright?
All right.
No, it's not that. It's just... It feels like it's been ages since... You know.
I can only imagine how it's been for the company.
By the way, the sound,
With Chrysler being both the CEO and owner.
the audio
it's
is
a real
not
blow.
final, so we're still
me about it.
mastering it.
I thought we'd be out of business for even longer than a week. I guess me and my colleagues are lucky that his wife decided to take over the company so quickly. You know, I still wonder if we'll get to keep our jobs after... what happened.
Everything will be okay.
Oh, great. You're so reassuring.
Okay, there's a problem with Samuel's keyframes. He has a few empty keyframes since I redid the idle animations and decreased the amount of keyframes. So yeah, Samuel has empty keyframes. Let's go.
Did he really have to go smoke on the roof and accidentally fall to his death?
All I can say is, I'm glad I don't work for the same company as you.
That's not funny. At all. Well, this is awkward.
But yeah, the audio peaking is
Alright.
gonna be fixed.
I'm off here.
Don't worry about
Have
that.
a good day, Theo.
You too, Samuel. Come on, man. It's only been a few days. Why the anxiety? I guess it's a given, considering what happened last week. And Stephanie. I'm going to see her again. I hope she's doing all right after everything that's happened. All right. You've got this, Theo.
Okay, we should be good to play. Howard is... Wait, he's not called Howard, is he? Oh yeah, he is Howard. While Mr. Chrysler's death was certainly tragic, I still don't think the police needed to shut down our entire office complex for a full week. I still need to make this guy's head smaller because he still has the old head size. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Let me actually add that to the list. NPCs have different head size and Z transform. And there's Sean. Hey Theo, back at work. How feels like it's already heavier than it should be. Honestly, I really don't want to go into the office today, but I don't have the luxury of staying home. Well, at least you work. Like, you can speak with him regularly and everything, so that's a relief for me. This site is for next key group. I don't need to go there as I don't work for Nest Key. Fair point. We need examine dialogues for those. So let's add that to the list. Examine dialogues for Nest Key and Prismacare. Signs in... I think this is the 5th floor. 5th floor lobby. And there's this lady, Lisa. It's strange being back here, knowing Mr. Chrysler fell from this very place last week. Feels unreal. He built Prismacare from nothing, and now the company's still standing, but he's gone. Oh no! We're not supposed to be see the blood yet. I enabled that because I was recording a video. Yeah, and there's a zombie here as well. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. Wait, where's... Oh no. Okay. Well, we're not gonna start over, so
Wait, what if Stephanie's...
yeah. So first thing we need to do is go back to that place where there's blood and remove the thing, you know. I think that's office complex, 5th floor, left hallway 01. Yeah, this is the one. I think I put it here. Yeah, there it is. And also the zombie, he's not supposed to be here. He's supposed to be here. Actually, yeah, let's put him around here. And then we go back to the Prismacare lobby. And we remove... Wait, what do we remove? I don't think we put it here. Yeah, I think it should be in the same hallway as well. Yeah, I think we're good. So let's start playing from here. I think it should take us to the proper place in the game. But it didn't play that song, so... Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, we can't examine the windows. I'm sure we could. Maybe it's like after it becomes night.
Theo, good morning.
Hey, Stephanie? Morning is good. I mean, good morning.
Wait, he's supposed to have the suit outfit over here. It's because we didn't start from the like downstairs because actually no, we didn't start from the apartment. That's where it sets his suit
So,
in chapter 1.
how are you holding up? After everything that happened last week.
To be honest, I'm not doing great.
Okay, I'm gonna skip all of the
But she was just
cutscenes just to like avoid
She's
spoilers.
looking to hire someone to take over. Yeah.
Just take it easy. Try not to...
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and the lighting in this room is... I know it's terrible, so we're gonna fix it. It's still, because, you know, it was good, but then I reworked how the light actors in the game work. So now it's trash. So I need to fix that. Oh no, okay, spoilers. I forgot something over here as well. I spawned a lot of enemies just to test them, and I forgot to remove that. So we're gonna have to go there and do it. That's hallway 01. Let's look for a spawner. Oh yeah, we don't need those either. I guess we could delete them. Maybe I should go back and talk to Stephanie again. Yeah, I was recording a video here.
Hey, Theo!
Okay, I'm gonna have to go to Theo's office to fix that. Yeah, we just need to like get rid of this. And also the camera actor. Where's the camera actor? Did I delete it? Please tell me I didn't delete it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll just go to Katie's office then and get the camera actor, copy it, paste it in Theo's office. We need to make sure it's in the middle so that, you know. And the translucent door should be this one. There we go.
Hey, Theo. It's good to see you.
Wait, why is Theo smaller in this cutscene? And I also want to turn down the voice acting.
Hey, Arthur. I would.
Why did Theo become so small? I think
Yeah,
yeah,
Chrysler's
definitely.
really-
Keep your.
Okay, let's fix that right away. First thing should be going to the, over here in the transform for the player character, we get rid of scale. Though I'm not sure that's correct. Oh yeah, it's the character sprite scale. Okay. Yeah, this should be it.
Hey, Theo. It's good to see you.
Hey, Arthur.
Yeah, I can't believe Chrysler is really gone.
Keep your voice down. His wife is just a.
Right. Sorry about that. But we
Arthur.
Sorry, Theo. You know...
Oh, great. Now. Look, I'm not gonna argue with you about this. I just want 10 minutes of peace before some guy calls asking if dental counts as a luxury on his insurance plan.
Huh?
Oh, I'm gonna take a short nap. Wake me up if any customers come in, okay?
Yeah, sure thing. By the way, you look even more tired than usual. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just that 1 week off isn't nearly enough to catch up on the sleep I've lost from working endless hours. And it definitely doesn't erase the years of What the hell? Where am I? A prison cell? I was just going to work a moment ago. No way. Why am I in prison? Who put me in here? What the hell? This has to be another nightmare. Hello? Is anyone there? Anyone? Who's there? Oh my god. What the hell? Why? Ugh. Oh my god. What a nightmare. I thought I would avoid the nightmares if I slept here. But no. It's just like in my bed. It's already night? Where's Arthur? How come he let me sleep this whole time? I need to check with Stephanie.
Yeah, I need to fix the size over here as well.
Huh? What the? Stephanie! It sounded like it was coming from the next office. I need to go check on her.
Okay, I think now I'm gonna mute and I'm gonna like switch to the other monitor because this is getting a little bit too spoilery and I don't want to showcase this part of the game yet. So yeah. Oh, who's that? Thank you for following me on Twitch, Atlantic. We are playing my game, Workplace Malice. But a lot of this stuff is like, it still has... Oh, wait, where's the key? Oh no, it's this bug again. Yeah, the lighting and everything, it's still placeholder. So it looks ugly in some rooms. Because, you know, this chapter, I didn't fix the lighting after I changed the light actors. I just wanted to make that clear again. Yeah, so there's this key that you pick up. But then when you do go back there, it's just like not in the inventory, which is crazy because like this bug doesn't happen on any of the other key items. So we're gonna have to do something about that. Okay, I'm gonna have to exit then. Let's see. CEOs, or actually no, it's called Chrysler's office now. Chrysler's office key ends up being missing from inventory. Yeah, we need to fix that. This is the key. Okay, you know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new data table entry. So I'm gonna duplicate it, put it here. I'm gonna call it Chrysler's office key now. And amount is 1. Type is key. It should be good, so I don't get why it gets deleted from the inventory. It's insane. And also, just for testing purposes, I'm gonna okay, let's skip this one. Yeah, for the sake of the testing, I'm gonna make sure this cutscene doesn't trigger so that we don't get we don't have to see it each time. So I'm just gonna press done on it. Oh wait, we're in chapter. Okay. Yeah. I'll just enable these. There we go. Is it still in the invent? Yeah, it is in the... Oh, I forgot to... Of course, I did. Okay, at least it's there now, but like, that's the problem. I want to know why it gets deleted or doesn't get added. Because there's no other key item like this. I'll just replace the... I'll just replace the thing. So... row handle. Chrysler's office key. There we go. And we should be good. Let's see. Okay, that's a function that I changed. Should be good now. And yeah. Also, I think I spawned a wrong character in Chrysler's office. Let's go there. Where's Chrysler's office? There we go. Okay. Okay, for now we're good. Actually, let me go back to Spotify. I just need to do something. There we go. Oh yeah, the door doesn't actually the door is not really meant for this. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this stream over here. I really enjoyed this, but it's pretty late. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to stream like double the amount. Because today, you know, when I worked in the morning, I couldn't stream. I was a little bit I wouldn't say anxious, but like it was harder for me to stream in the morning today. So I'm gonna try to do it twice tomorrow if I can. And yeah, we're gonna get chapter 1 and 2 both finished tomorrow. So yeah, let's do it. Thank you so much for joining me if you're still here. I'm pretty sure you are. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.